We're heading out on a little adventure today. Could you tell us where we're off to and what we're doing with this lovely Mini?
I don't know if this gives a little bit away, but we are off to Milltek today. Deliver them back the Cooper S that they've lent us, the new F66, and we are off to pick up our M3 with a new mid-race pipe delete.
Yeah, we did a bit of an exchange at our coffee morning, didn't we? They took the M3, in return they gave us the F66.
And we got a very shrunk down version, yes.
And if I'm not wrong, we're going to be fitting a PK445 AirMax kit to their M3 Touring, aren't we?
We are. They have decided they want the best of the best on the M3, so we are off there to go and fit the new carbon 445 kit to their car. And hopefully, yeah, give them the sounds that they need from the front that they give from the rear.
Awesome, let's do it. Thank you.
What we got? Probably should have brought
Making noises.
nice new Plus filters. That'll be our fitting kit. And then we start getting into the sexiness. So that's one carbon lid. That's our other carbon lid. And then we have our pipe. Now Erin, what's one thing that everyone loves to have when they're doing a kit?
Instructions.
And what should everyone follow, Erin?
Read them.
Yeah, we'll look at the new inlets. So these will adapt to the OE. So we'll use these on both turbo inlets. Now these come with nice new O-rings as well. And here we have our fitting kit.
Stainless steel.
Everything stainless. No one wants any little rusty bolts showing through on the intake side of things. So new O-rings for each of the inlets here. So these just literally slot inside, all been made exactly to spec. Very, very high temperature resistant, but give a nice seal on the inside of that. So yeah, it uses the OE spring clip, so it's all retained, fully machined, nice piece. So this one is for the left-hand inlet. So we've got the hoses that go on down onto the turbo inlet. So we have a straight joint that will end up connecting to our carbon intake pipe. And then on the left side, it has the full replacement hose, which tapers really nicely. Nice 5-ply silicone, really strong silicone, so it can withstand high temperatures. To match the machined inlet, it's got a nice little step in the neck here. Yeah, so it'll you get nice natural smooth airflow through here, no sort of turbulent points, everything else on that. So we'll get the corresponding hose clamps for that. Well, we've got an injury already. I can't feel like yet first aid required, but I think we'll be okay. We're gonna power through this. This is what you want to see. Big 100mm carrying the volume all the way through. Now, the reason we do it in carbon fibre is because you're able to hold a much larger air volume. If you were just to do this in aluminium pipe work, you're restricted by the diameters that are dictated from the manufacturer straight away. So you either have to weld pipes together, doesn't always look great, or whatever you do. This way you can have constant volume all the way through, taper nicely, smooth the airflow out, make sure there's no turbulence in it whatsoever. We can also dictate the shaping, so for the brace bars here, coolant lines, rad, everything else, and then with the nice OE fitments on the top. This is a nice piece. This is one of my favourite bits of the kit. First, the Plus filters. Now, whilst they look exceptionally similar in size, there is a mild difference between the two. I'll pop this side in first. Out with the old. In with the new. That's the plus variant of filter that we make, so full stainless CNC cut frame, 2-stage foam, very high flowing, 30% more than what the standard sort of performance panel filter will flow as a direct result. Carbon lid type. Have I pulled the right one out though? This is the question. And the answer is yes. Sorry Dale, Erin, we've just been informed we're having too much fun by Dale. If we could just rein it in a little bit. Basically, I think for Dale, yeah, it's all just got a little bit too crazy already for him. So I'll just keep that in there just whilst that's going on so we don't scratch any of the carbon. Second panel.
It's almost a shame that you don't get to see it.
Yeah, exactly, but we do get carbon. Exactly. Erin, do you know what I really appreciate when you're here filming?
What's that?
How much you block out the light.
Just give me a head.
Oh, I get it. It's all for the shots. It's all for the shots. I get it. I'm here for it. I'm just saying. We've talked in past about like thermal. So carbon has such good thermal properties compared to like an aluminium pipe, for example, because of the fact that it can dissipate the heat better. Because we're carrying a larger volume through here, as we talked about, we're able to move airspeed faster, so we're not letting the air at any point sort of turbocharge heat-wise, so it's constantly getting to the turbos nice, cold, dense air, so that's what we want for the best combustion for the vehicle.
The engine goes on universally in the end.
A fitted kit, other than the 12 braces that I've got to go back on.
Thank you very much for watching. Click around me and amongst this area to see more Pipercross content.